putting the beaker in there?
Welcome to Jasper Toy Time.
And today we're gonna try the volcano, right, Jasper? Yeah. Okay, you about ready to do this? Okay. All right, kids. So what you need is a 1/4 cup of baking soda, and you're gonna need a 1/2 cup of vinegar, white vinegar, that is. And then you can also use a little bit of dish soap just to make the lava come out slower and look cooler, right? And you can also use food coloring if you like your lava to be red or yellow or some other color. But we're just gonna try it like kind of normal for today. Okay, Jasper, you ready? First, put the 1/4 cup of baking soda in there, in the volcano. Okay, we gotta prime this volcano. Get it ready for a massive eruption. That's no worries. Okay, that's fine. It'll be fine. Okay, we're mad scientists here. We don't have.
It's
All right, now you ready? Now we're spilling on this because it's kind of stinky. All right, now put this distilled vinegar in here. Okay, you ready? Now take your beaker, scientist. Now take your beaker, scientist, and look at. Okay. Okay, yeah, you know what? You might need a little more vinegar, it looks like. So let's give it a try here.
Whoa! Okay. Now try the dish soap.
Whoa, she's getting ready to blow. Let's put some dish soap. Okay, Jasper.
That's good.
Okay, that's probably enough dish soap, I hope.
Okay.
Ready? Parents, if you don't want a big huge mess, you might want to use a cookie sheet. We're doing this in our garage, so if there's a mess, I'll just wash it off. Whoa, look at all that lava, Jasper. Yeah, it's kind of cooler with the dish soap, isn't it? What do you think? You like it slow or fast?
Fast.
Yeah, but look at this lasts longer. Check it out. Here it comes. That's kind of more like what you would see in TV in lava, huh? Whoa! Why are you putting the beaker in there? What are you doing to that lava, man? Okay, let it flow, Jasper. Let's just see how long it takes to come
on my
out.
dog.
Oh, no. Put your glasses on, man.
How
See, it's
big
cooler
is
with the
that?
dish soap, huh?
Thank you for watching. See you later on different project.